Hey, my pals, Mike the Kid Gardener, and they had another sale at Michael's on these seed cases. So my wife asked me if I wanted any more, and I said, "Yeah, grab me two." Well, hold on. These boxes just arrived, and I texted her. She was at work. I said, "Why are these boxes odd shaped?" She says, "Well, I got you five because they were $12 each, and she had a coupon or whatever, so she basically got five of them for the cost that would normally cost for just one if you were to get it like off of Amazon or whatever. So I'm not going to argue with that. That's pretty cool. The only problem with having them shipped is you can't know the condition of them until you open them. I ordered four from them before, and two of them were broken during shipping, so I had to take them back to the store. But they replaced it, so it's not a big deal. So like you can see here, this box it's kind of beat up in the corner. So I'm gonna open these up. I'm gonna give them a look over, and we'll see. I'll be back. All right, one right off the back is broken, so that's going back to them. They're really nice cases, but they do not ship very well because these UPS people tend to throw them around. So you can see pieces of plastic. That's a piece of plastic that comes from a case. It's ridiculous. And I guarantee you that this one is probably broken too. So I'm going to give it a look over and we'll see. I'll be back. Well, I am pleasantly surprised to say that out of five that were shipped, only one had the damage here. Still going back. They're going to replace it. Yeah. So if you are interested in seed storage, like what I got, keep an eye out for sales because they always seem to have them now. So that's really cool. These are well worth $12 a piece, and actually less because I believe that she ended up getting this one for pretty much for free. So we got five of them for the price of four. So, and they typically, unlike Amazon, run about $40 each. So, that's an excellent deal there. All right. Any comments, questions in the comment section? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.